Alright, so there's been a lot of Corolla action on the channel lately, aka Corolla. Wheels are on. Did I show this? I don't remember. Did I record it? I don't remember. But I'll know by the time this comes out because I would have already done it. So, wheels are on. Looks pretty good, I reckon, you know? Looks cool. But it's high as shit. But I just bought another car, didn't I? So that'll be sorted out. But today, it's currently Tuesday. We just went to Sydney to pick up the other car. So, still tired, everything, ridiculous. We slept in it, you would have seen that, it's pretty funny. But today, something's actually happening with the Corolla. Corolla, you know what I mean, RX-7. So, today, something's finally happened with the RX-7. So, I'm taking this bad boy to get a exhaust finally. So, since I bought this, it's had this junk exhaust on it. I like the tips. It's got Magnaflow resonators, mufflers on it. So I like them. I'm gonna retain them probably. But it's got a shitty ass dropped exhaust. Hopefully you can still hear me under there. Shitty ass dropped exhaust, which is absolutely junk. Sorry, grass is a bit long. We'll see if we can see anything. There you go, look at that. Absolute junk. The exhaust that's on here is absolute junk. That's going to be going. I'm taking it down to Primal today. Taking it down to the Primal boys. So they're going to sort it out for me. So after all this time, I'm actually going to get a nice exhaust on this thing. Thought I was just going to get something kind of mild steel, half decent for now, or forever, I guess, Mountain knowing me. But talked to the boys down at Primal. So Daniel's gonna be taking this bad boy off me and sorting that out. I got to start it obviously, and I want to take it for a run before I take it all over there. So I'm just gonna go get some stuff for lunch and we'll take the FC, and I'm gonna take the camera so we can get some little sound clips and then we can maybe see the difference a little bit. But finally back on the FC. Keen as. All this thing needs is an exhaust and a tune, and it's like kind of done. So, and fix the side skirts and do another 100 other things. But we're getting there finally. Finally getting an exhaust. I've been waiting like 3 years to get an exhaust. Talked to so many different people, and no one would ever want to do it, or they're too busy, or just some dumb excuse. So it's finally happening. Getting close to this being done. Now we've got Corollas. So what's the point, huh? Who needs an RX-7 when you got Corollas? But yeah, it's finally happening. If you can see that in the shots, don't get excited about that. That's not mine, so don't get excited about that one. Yeah, not mine. But FC, good. Just gonna use the onboard mics because that's what I've got. But there's a few other clips of this doing cold starts and stuff, so you would have probably seen that before, or even like the 7's day video that I did a while back, a couple years ago. That's got a cold start, maybe on the good camera. So that might have a little bit better audio, so I can maybe splice that in if I can find it. We'll just do it with the GoPro, then we can compare them, see how they sound off that. Sorry for everyone that wants crazy good audio, but that's what I got. So, you know, if we start getting more followers or something and I actually made $1 or $2 instead of none, maybe I'd buy a microphone. So, I don't know. Whatever, who cares? Don't like or subscribe. Just fucking do some skids or something. Thanks. Oops. Nice. Oh, I forgot the GoPro, so we've got to do another lap around the block. Let's go. Hopefully it's not too hot. We don't have much fuel. Oh, temp's good. Start with this window down. It's pretty loud. There's 80. The window up. Doesn't make much difference really. Less wind noise, that's about it. It's kind of like a quiet spot at 80 where it's good to cruise at. It gets a bit louder at 100 and whatever. Obviously. So yeah, it sounds good, but it's a bit too loud to be honest. Like loud's cool and all, but it's not that cool, especially in a street car these days. Wow. All right, I'm back. So I just got defected on my own property. I don't know how much I just recorded, but I went out again, which I always say I never should, to just get a sound clip for you guys on this fancy YouTube thing that makes me the big bucks, you know. So I went out to get a sound clip, went out for a second run, which I always say never go out once more, especially with this, and drove past Highway Patrol, which you probably saw, not in the camera, but drove past one. I was like, oh, okay, they're not pulling out. Still massive anxiety attack, of course. And then pulled into my street, saw a big black Beamer following me. I was like, okay, just drive home. And it's pulling into my driveway and they turned the sirens on, of course. So, defected, I don't know what level, minor or something. Talked to them for a fair while. Think they kind of were all right with me, you know. It's friendly to them and what you should be to the lovely police officers. So defect, still taking it to primal, so it's on the trailer. I've got to find some bits to maybe fix it. There's some weird stuff like he wasn't happy with the back. He asked if this was engineered. I'm like, that's just a strut brakes, bro. But he didn't like that this was all open and had loose stuff in it. Like, it's not going anywhere. He didn't like the battery, but I told him it's an interior battery, you know, whatever. Everyone that knows Reds, Optimas and shit will know what that is. Yeah, but he didn't like that there was no surround on here, which, because someone attempted to steal this car before I owned it, so I've never had one of those on there, and he didn't like that, and the exposed pod. So the pod's bolted down, but it is exposed. So yeah, and the ride height, obviously. But I told him I was going to get an exhaust. I can probably have a look at it now, it's on here. So yeah, exhaust is shit. So low. Like, compared to the diff. Right, camera's at the diff height. And that's how low the exhaust sits. So, exhaust. Yep, fucking, you know, typical shit, day in the life of fucking around with shit cars. But what are you gonna do? Yeah, that's how low it sits, so it's fucked. So I'm getting that done. Told him about that. So yeah, he said, oh, I know I could definitely get you on some other stuff, but he said that'll do. You hooligan, get off the road. Obviously not, but yep, I don't know. Still gonna take it to primal, I think. So yeah, I don't know. Just fucking loading up. Gonna have some lunch. So I'd share that lovely update. Cheers, bye. And then also with the defect, I feel like I can put a clickbaity title on this video now, because it'll be like I got defected for YouTube, didn't I? Because that's the truth, because I only went out because I wanted to record an exhaust clip and I forgot the camera over there on the bin when I was doing the cold start. So I came back, I never go out twice, and got defected. So just junk. So technically I got defected for vlogging, for YouTubing, whatever you want to call it. So maybe this one will get a clickbait, we'll see.